Today I got Smith & Wesson knife. Got to unbox this thing. Oh, here's the knife. Doesn't. Huh. To close it, put a store here. Huh, doesn't have a spring, so it doesn't open by itself like this knife right here. It has a spring and it opens up with just one finger. You can just open this one over here. Disappointing that doesn't open up like the other one.
Decent little knife, great for the value, the cost. Unfortunately, they over tightened the pivot, and unless you have a Torx screwdriver available, you're not going to be able to loosen it up. As you can see, it does not open easily, but otherwise very sharp, nice low quality. I'd give it 4 stars.
It's not a bad knife. It just don't flick all the way. Just gotta do like this. It's pretty sharp.
Go.
I love this product. It's great, fits in my pocket, claps on pretty nice. I love the serrated and straight blade. I got used to the manual open. It's really nice. It's really, really sharp. Great, 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
To have about double the amount of boost you're going to run. So, like, if I'm on 30 pounds of boost, I need like at least 60 pounds of pressure.
So I think everything about this knife is great. The only thing I've seen, people don't know how to close it. So you're gonna pull this to the side and then